I'm Pamela Chesavage. I live in Palo Alto, California. I'm always looking at our water bills. We have a lot of people living in the house, so we have to use some water. And so the less water I can use in the landscape, the better. My heart was to transform the yard into native and edibles. We put all the edibles on drip irrigation. It's pretty low water use. The front yard we turned into a native garden. The first year when we had the native garden, we watered about once a week. Second year we watered every other week. The third year we watered about once a month, and now we don't water it at all. Cut our water bill quite a bit. I like plants where I can plant them and not do anything, like just low maintenance plants. The rebate from the Valley Water District helped us transform our garden.